Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not loading on iPhone. If Facebook won't load on your iPhone, the issue may be caused by a weak internet connection, app glitches, outdated software, or temporary server problems. So you can fix it in just a few minutes. So first is to close Facebook and open your settings, then check your internet connection. So a poor or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Facebook won't load. So you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. You can open another website or app to test your connection. You can restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Then you can go back and turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off. Then go back to Facebook and see if that works. Next is to force close and reopen Facebook. Sometimes the app simply gets stuck, so swipe off from the bottom of the screen and pause or double press the home button on older iPhones. Then swipe the Facebook away to close it and reopen Facebook and see if that works. Next is to restart your phone. So, restarting your iPhone or Android clears temporary system glitches. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Drag the power slider and wait about 30 seconds. Then turn your iPhone back on. Next is to update the Facebook app. So, go to App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. Then see if you have any available updates. Update Facebook if an update is available. So once updated, open it and see if that works. Next is to update iOS. So running an older version of iOS can sometimes cause compatibility issues. So go to settings, then go to general, then from here go to software update and install any available iOS updates. Then restart your iPhone afterward and open your Facebook again and see if that works. Next is to check background app refresh. So if background app refresh is disabled, Facebook may not refresh properly. So go to settings, then go to general, then from here look for background app refresh and select that. Then click background app refresh, then turn it on. Then in here, scroll down and look for Facebook and make sure it is turned on. So ensure Facebook is allowed to use it. Then go ahead and open Facebook and see if that works.